Hello everyone, and welcome back to Silver Octagon Technologies, and in this video I'll be demonstrating and discussing my newest Hero Tech gauntlet. Alright, so let's delve into the mechanics and basically what this thing is. So this gauntlet is inspired by the newest show, The Mandalorian. I really like how he has like a flamethrower gauntlet and just different gadgets attached to his wrist, and I've always been inspired by Star Wars and superhero tech. Alright, so basically how it works is when I press these buttons, this button activates the magazine, which controls the servo, which opens up a slot for the ammo to fall into in here, inside of the barrel. That hole right there is where it releases the ammo into the barrel. And once it falls in and I hear it fall in, I then commence pressing this button, which basically turns the gear on this motor and moves the linear gear back and forth, which is essentially a spring-loaded launcher with a servo-operated magazine. And now for the spring mechanism. So that's when I hold the button, it activates the motor. So, front view. So this portion is actually another loading slot, similar to this one. When I designed it, I wasn't thinking about adding any more ammo. It was mainly just for one, but I decided I could fit more than one. So it consists of 2 battery packs, one for the motor, the big motor, and one for the Arduino and the servo. Here is a small PCB circuit that I made for controlling the servo. So it's attached to the button, attached to the Arduino that controls the servo. And now I'm about to begin the test firing at my door. Alright, so you're probably wondering why that didn't shoot very far. So it's not designed to be a distance launcher. It's actually designed to shoot a short distance and roll. So the steel balls will actually roll a far distance. So initially when I was designing this and drawing it up, and the whole concept was actually to shoot like smoke screen balls, like fireworks. I know that sounds crazy, but kind of like how Batman throws down smoke screen and escapes in like the cloud of smoke. So I had the idea of making like a high-tech launcher for smoke screen. So that was kind of the concept and the idea behind it initially, but it turned into this in its prototyping stages. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, tell me how you felt about it in the comment section. And this is my second gauntlet in the series, and I plan to be making one more, which is going to be definitely a surprise. It's going to be really cool. So yeah, that's it for today. See you guys next time.